Hi guys. So it is, I don't know why I said it like that. Hi guys. Excuse the road mess behind me. So it's Monday and clearly I'm still trying to get myself together today. Trying to get some of the frizz out of my hair. Do you guys ever have like when your Monday just doesn't go the way you had plans? Like it just didn't? So I obviously was going to work today and see clients, and then I have had several of them cancel. I don't know about your area, but we are having, and yes, I'm in the bathroom, so the lighting is horrible. We have in this area a lot of the flu and of course COVID going around. So anyway, yeah, I don't want to see anybody sick because basically I was sick for all of December, more or less. So yeah, I'm trying to, I don't want to see anybody who's sick. So anyway, instead I got up and did a lot of administrative stuff that I needed to do, and I still have a ton of that I can do. So that's a good thing. And then I'm gonna run some errands like to Target and things like that since I have time. And it's a pretty decent day, cold, but we finally have some sunshine too. So anyway, just checking in, and I will see you later. Just got back from Target and I thought I'd show you what I bought. Please ignore my very messy kitchen. I'll get to it later. All right, so flipping you around to show you what I got at Target. I got the Gardein plant-based meatballs. I got the crispy batter fish fillets. I put those in the, what am I trying to say, air fryer when I don't have much time or I'm in a hurry to eat something. Spanish style rice. I got some noodles because I'll make noodles and meatballs. I did get a little treat there, the dark chocolate cookies, Cliff Bars. I've got 2 of these throat coat. These are the original with slippery elm. If you have any issues with swallowing or reflux, or you need your throat to heal, this helps me more than anything. So I'm just putting that out there. The Mission gluten-free, whatever I'm trying to say, those are. I got a little bit of minced onion, just because, again, sometimes if I'm running late, that it's easier to cook that way. I got some of these Tostitos. I usually don't eat these, but got them. Got some omega-3 and multivitamins. Not another great choice, but I put it in my iced coffee, which I might make one today. Canada Dry ginger ale, again, really settles your stomach. I got 0 sugar. I don't know if I've tried that before, but anyway, trying to have less sugar. Yeah, that doesn't make sense with that, but there you go. And then I just picked up things at Target like ketchup, mustard, Chick-fil-A sauce. I think I got some of the Miracle Whip. They didn't have anything light there. Worcestershire sauce. I'm still not sure how you say that. I got some Alfredo sauce. I got strawberry. They didn't have any low sugar or sugar-free, so I just got the regular. One thing I really like from Target is their pineapple peach salsa. Really like that. I got some of the fat-free yogurt. I got some black beans, corn. What else did I get? Oh, olives. I put those in a salad all the time. I'm going to try their almond milk. I got some cleaner for my face. And yeah, for your nose. Very exciting. Some cheese and some cheese. And then I got this bread, which again, if you've had any trouble eating for various reasons, this is easy to swallow. I know, weird, long story. And then I got their version of the alkaline water because I really like that. Yes, nothing fresh here, but again, at our Target, I don't like their fresh food, so I'll be doing that tomorrow, getting fruits and vegetables and things. This is just me kind of rounding out what we needed and some things for when I need to cook quickly. So just thought I would share that with you today. Okay, so I thought I'd show you how I make my super simple homemade iced coffee Not super healthy, okay, there's that. So this is just some decaf I had from breakfast left over. This is how I make my coffee in the French press in the morning. And then I froth usually only almond milk in this frother on the cold setting. There's a cold and a hot. So then I pour that in here. Easy. It's not super frothy or anything, but that's okay. And then I put some chocolate in. And yes, you could get a sugar-free or a much healthier version, I'm sure. Gosh, I'm not paying attention. Whoa, whoa, too much, too much. So, and then just stirring this up, obviously. Hard to do with one hand. Stir that up. And then I just put about a glass of ice. Oh, oops, there's splash everywhere. And that's it. And then sometimes I'll put whipped cream on top if I have any, which I don't. But that's my iced coffee. It tastes good. Like I said, not super healthy, I guess. But just something if you want a little treat at home. Alrighty. I thought I'd do a quick hello right at this part. It's been an interesting year so far. So I think the last thing I shared was when we went to London for about a week. That was back in November. I think that's the last thing. Anyway, since then, and I think I mentioned in that one that I'd been ill with COVID, and then I had some kind of other cold or flu thing. So pretty much December was not great. And then I started feeling better. You're back to work. It's the new year. You're ready to go. But during COVID, I had a funny thing happen with my eye where it was kind of wavy. And I'd seen flashes of light and new floaters. I have some floaters, but all these floaters. So that got better, but the waviness stayed. So I think it was the week between Christmas and New Year's I was able to get in with my eye doctor. Of course, you don't want to see anybody when you're ill because they're pretty close to you. So anyway, I go and they do all the testing and stuff they do, and they're like, you have a problem, you need to see a retina specialist like now. So they got me in that afternoon with a retina specialist, all around a test again, and they were like, well, there's something with the fluid was separating or something, and there's a bump, but we'll just watch it. Okay, so I can't see right, but okay, we'll just watch it. Anyway, fast forward, we go back 3 weeks later. There's a tear in the retina. So I'm there for an appointment. I have no idea about this. And they say, oh yes, we see a tear. We can repair it with some kind of cryoplexy situation, which I guess freezes and makes a scar around the area to stop the tear. I'm not sure if it repairs it or stops it. So unexpectedly, I have that, and there's an injection in your eye and all of this stuff. The machine didn't work right at first. They couldn't get the thing cold enough. It was not fun, but I will say it was not painful. Everything worked out, even though I was feeling very dizzy and nauseated during the procedure. You go home with a patch over your eye. You can take it off the next day, and you just kind of have to take it easy. So it's still kind of repairing. I still have some blurriness on this side, but my eye is now a regular size, whereas it was half the size for a while, for about a week. So anyway, hoping, praying that the rest of the year is a very healthy year. Just follow up on the eye situation and see what happens with that. So I thought I'd just give you a little update and just kind of back to work and trying to be busy with that and hoping you guys are well. Take care.